Welcome back to the VST channel, guys. Today I'm gonna be testing the latest Call of Duty Warzone mobile. Alright, so I have hooked up my S24 Ultra via USB-C to an HDMI adapter to this monitor. I also connected a Nintendo Switch Pro controller to my phone via Bluetooth, and as you can see, I'm also able to operate using the controller, which is quite nice. Here, this is the game, and I'm also running Taco Stats on top of this, where I'm gonna display CPU utilization, also CPU temperature and FPS. Now, I posted this on my community page. I know already that this game is poorly optimized. A lot of people are complaining about it, but I've been waiting really so long to get this game. I also wanted to give my Xiaomi 14 Ultra a try, but it seems that the USB-C doesn't really talk along to the HDMI out, so I cannot really display it here, and I want to really do a test on a big monitor using a Pro controller, because that's really how you're supposed to play. I have also connected the JBL Go speaker via Bluetooth to my S24 Ultra to get a sound output. Now I want to do some settings inside the Samsung Game Hub using Game Booster, whatever, and we're gonna be starting in a few moments. I want to go inside Game Booster. Inside the Game Booster settings, I want to make sure that I'm using the best available settings. So sadly, I don't have the option to use the post-UPD PD charging. This means just to bypass the charging while the phone is connected. Well, because I'm using a non-race cable, I guess. So now I'm going to go inside Labs, and in fact, yeah, alternate game performance management. Use an experimental game performance management system that might improve some of the game performance. So I would set that is already set to maximum. And with that said, guys, I'm gonna be starting the Call of Duty Warzone. I'm a bit disappointed from what I'm reading from you guys, but it seems that the game is not properly optimized, or at least some of you are getting some problems anyway. I want to show you the settings that I'm using, and we're going to be starting a game. I'm using the highest available visual quality. Sadly, I'm not allowed to choose the peak. Visual peak quality not supported by my device. I need to maybe wait for an update or for the S28 Ultra, and I've also chosen to run uncapped FPS. Now let's start a game and play a while. Alright, let's try and see what the phone can bring. One of the comments I have to make, guys, is that the textures are not with the highest quality. There was a message while downloading the game that the more you play, the more of these textures you're gonna store on your phone, improving the quality. And although on the smallest screen it might look, yeah, not so nice, on the biggest screen it's even worse. But what I like is the fact that, yeah, the controller is very well mapped, by the way. Alright. So I can run, I can zoom in, zoom out, everything really works like it should be, really.
I got you set.
Ah! Now the other observation I have to make is that I'm running the game uncapped, but I'm still at 60 FPS. So that's rather stable for now, but I cannot get past 60 FPS. Ah. No, it's me.
Check your damn fire.
I also feel a bit of a lag when I'm playing with the Nintendo Pro controller. Ah, come on, no. Shit. I'm gonna self-revive myself if I have time. Alright, I was able to pull this trick. Oh, God. Oh, no. Ah, okay. We were just sitting ducks for this guy, I guess.
Barely hanging on.
I got you set.
My guy died, yeah. Oh, whoa.
Chasing that.
No. Don't, please. Triple kill, yeah. I'm being revived, and now I'm going to make up for you, man. Alright. So 55 Celsius on the CPU itself, and on the surface, guys, 38, which is actually quite nice. But disappointing is that we cannot even keep the 60 FPS, and I've been playing this probably since more than 30 minutes already. The graphics are nice, but again, I have to commend the fact that the textures, you can just see they're really awful. So I hope that the more really you play, the more you download, and then the graphics will improve. And it really looks better on the WQHD screen here. My monitor is only FHD, so that's also one thing. 52, 56. Yeah, this is not really a very open map.
Get yourself to proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
Alright. Jesus. 57 FPS, guys. Now, you cannot expect the best graphics on a big monitor. I think it's running Full HD. I don't know if the mobile gaming will soon replace a proper console like a Nintendo Switch, yeah? Or a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox One. But it is what it is, so let's just try to do some tracks. Alright. Free falling, where should I fall? Yeah. I'm really impressed with how well the controls are handled. Actually, you can just do everything here. You see, if I do like this, I can zoom in and out, which is nice. If I just hold here, the L2, L3, whatever it is, I can run, which is quite nice. So, yeah, it really plays like a console game. Although the graphics, the one that I can see, I hope you can see them too, they are not so nice. Now, there was something rather interesting when I was loading the game. They said the more you play, the more visual data you download, and then the better the quality of the visuals are. Overall, runs nice, but not 60 FPS for sure, guys.
Check your damn fire! Changing mags! Need medical!
No medical. So 49 FPS, 45 FPS the more I play, not ideal. We was hoping to get at least 60 stable, guys. Defeat, yeah. But then the phone is also not so hot. I don't think that the game is probably optimized, because we'll have like 41, so yeah, I guess the phone can. I really hope the phone can do more FPS. I'm also not very happy with the quality of the textures, but again, the more you play, you should be able to download more and more, and then hopefully eventually end up with a better graphics. So a lot of people are saying that the game is still not optimized, and although I get my hands on the game right now, it has been around for a few months already, so I just hope that, yeah, Activision will just make this game better. Let me know what you think down below. Are you happy with the performance? 40, 45 FPS, is this what you expected? Well, let me know. And if you like videos like this, you might want to check some of the other videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. VST over, and bye.